You won't believe what Mahindra just did to Batman's ride? No, seriously, if Bruce Wayne was born in Mumbai, this is what he'd drive. Hey, it's Om Vinayak Gupta, and today I'm test driving the Mahindra B.06 Batman Edition. Yeah, you heard that right, the Batmobile just went full electric, and it's way more eco-friendly than the Joker's laugh. Quick poll, if you could pick any superhero car for your daily commute, who would it be? Drop your answer below. Alright, let's get into it, because this car is straight up insane. First, the looks. This thing is so sharp, I almost cut myself getting in. Matte black paint, yellow accents, and a grille that literally looks like it's about to say, I'm Batman, but does it drive like a real Batmobile? I floored it, and whoa, instant torque, zero emissions. And the only thing louder than the electric whir was my own Wii. It's got a futuristic digital cockpit. Seriously, the dash looks like Tony Stark and Bruce Wayne had a baby. Dashboard scrolling, holographic-like displays. And check this, advanced battery tech means you can outlast the Penguin's entire crime spree on a single charge. Low maintenance, low running costs. My wallet's happier than Alfred on vacation. Now let's talk Mahindra for a sec. These folks have been making vehicles since 1945, and now they're leading the EV game in India. The Batman Edition is like their victory lap with a cape on, and with government incentives, you don't need Bruce Wayne's bank account to drive one. But real talk, how does it feel? It's smooth, it's quiet, and it turns heads at every red light. One guy asked if I was late for a Justice League meeting. The tech is wild. Industry 4.0 manufacturing, state-of-the-art batteries, and a social media presence that's more active than the bat signal on a Friday night. Here's the twist. While Batman's car fights crime, Mahindra's fighting pollution. Zero emissions, zero guilt. And you get to flex on your neighbors with a Bat logo key fob. The steering wheel literally has the Bat symbol right where you need it most. Each car gets its own numbered plaque because you're not just buying a car, you're joining an exclusive club of 300. And check out this infinity roof with Bat symbol projection. It's like having your own personal Bat signal. Even the seats are Batman themed with gold stitching and Bat emblems. Alfred would approve of this luxury. Every detail screams Batman, even the door pulls are branded. Under the hood, well, there's no hood, but you get 382 horsepower from dual motors. 0 to 100 in under 6 seconds, faster than Batman's grappling hook. And when you need juice, 175 kilowatt fast charging gets you back on patrol in no time. 450 kilometers of real-world range. Enough to patrol all of Gotham twice. Triple screen setup with AR head-up display. It's like having Oracle feeding you information directly. 16 million colors of ambient lighting. Set it to Batcave Blue or Joker Green, your choice. Level 2 plus driver assistance, because even Batman needs backup sometimes. 3 drive personalities plus Batman mode, when you really need to feel like the Dark Knight. Even the materials are eco-friendly. Recycled trims and low-VOC cabin, because saving the planet is very Batman. Bookings opened August 23rd, with deliveries on International Batman Day, September 20th, 2025. Only 300 units worldwide, more exclusive than Bruce Wayne's guest list. So should you buy it? If you want to save the world, save money. Smash that like if you'd rock the Batman Edition. Comment your favorite superhero car. And subscribe for more wild test drives, because next week, I might just review Wonder Woman's invisible jet. Don't forget, hit the bell so you don't miss any Bat updates. And hey, did you catch the hidden Bat emoji in this video? Rewind and find it. Stay super, stay electric. Peace out.